So guys, did anyone completed the field types recorded sessions? Huh? Oh, you
So
did
we
not
didn't
share.
get any videos.
Okay. Yeah, I think we shared today. Okay. So coming to a custom report types, guys, we have a 8 different types of custom reports are available. Okay. A simple report, advanced reports, matrix reports, composite, trending, fetch, and box and transfers. Okay. So guys, don't speak. If I ask any questions, you can answer me. Otherwise, the recording sessions maybe will not be properly recorded. So if I ask any question, then you can answer no issues. Okay, please. Yeah, thank you. So we have 8 different types of reports, and we'll discuss one by one which report type, when we are going to use, and what cases we are using the each report type. We'll discuss, guys. Okay. So the first 6 reports we are going to discuss live. Okay, and the last 2 reports will share the recorded sessions because I think this 4 is really enough for the first 4. But additionally, we are taking another 2 also. And these 2 inbox and transpose, we are using very rare opportunities. But anyway, if you want to see the knowledge on that areas, we'll share the recorded sessions. Okay, but first 6 reports we'll discuss one by one. Okay, perfect. So let's go to a simple report. Let's go to a simple report first. A simple report is a very basic report, guys, and it is mainly using for only developer purpose. Simple report is a very basic report, and it will use only for a developer purpose. That's it. Okay. Okay. Let's create the report, guys. Create custom report is my task name. Create custom report is my task name. So RR underscore 128 underscore. Yeah, it's a simple report. Just I'm writing the name for your easy understand. You can take any whatever name you comfortable, but you please make sure you can select your name so that I can easily identify it. Okay. So and so person in 128 batch, he created some reports. Okay. Perfect. So what is the default report type? Simple one. Correct. I can see remaining other report types as well. But default one is whenever you are creating a report, it's a default one is simple only. Okay. Please unselect these 3 checkboxes. Can I use all active and terminated workers? Yesterday we already used the same thing, right? Yeah. Click on OK. I would like to see employee ID, employee full name, click the one more plus button, employee gender, employee hire date, employee ID, employee name, gender, hire date, and then so what was an employee position, correct? Okay, employee cost center. You just add some details there. Who's that? What? Okay, and do you want to see the employee salary? So total compensation Total compensation in US dollars. It's okay. Okay. Click on OK. Now I'm going to run this report and see the result. So this is what the report I just created as a simple report, correct? Employee ID, employee name, employee gender details, employee hire date, employee position, okay, and cost center. Position means what is your current position? You are working as a software engineer or a senior software engineer, correct? Or not? Yeah. So you can see any Java developer. See Java developer. See Java senior developer, Java developer, correct? Or not? So I think you can see all the different position people are there, and these employees belongs to which departments, and you can see their total cities. You can see their total cities. Okay, guys, perfect. So this is the a very simple report, very basic report, and this will use it only for developer purpose. Okay, guys, let's go to one duplicate session. Let's go to the one duplicate session, and I'm going to create the advanced report now. Okay, so create custom report. This is RR underscore 128 underscore advanced report. Guys, please select the report type as advanced. Please unselect these three checkboxes. Can I use this data source? Yeah, please use the same data source what you created for simple report and click on OK. Okay, now I'm selecting the same data here also. I'm selecting the same data here also. Employee ID, full name, hire date. Okay, what else we have next? Position, cost center, and then total compensation. Correct? Same data is selected here also. Correct? Or not? Same data. See now? Employee ID, employee name, gender, hire date, position, cost center, and salary. Okay, just click on OK to run. Same 710 transactions we have. 710 transactions we have. Correct or not? But this is an advanced report, and this is the simple report. This is the simple. Okay, guys, perfect. In real time, we will never use simple report concept. We will never use simple report concept. Okay, but coming to the interview process, most of the interviews are asking this question. Okay, can you please tell me the difference between a simple and advanced report? So tell me the difference between a simple and advanced report, and what cases you are going to create a simple report, and what cases you are creating an advanced report. This is the most common interview questions nowadays. That's the reason I'm explaining this topic. Okay, you can see the advanced report. See now, go to advanced report and edit option. Okay, and go to a simple report and okay, the simple report and edit options. Okay, guys, if you go to Google or Workday community or if you go to any reporting manuals, there are so many differences you can see. Okay, in the description level, you can see so many reasons or so many differences between simple and advanced. Okay, is it really good? You are keep explaining those differences to the panel. Nowadays, it is not. Nowadays, people are behavior smart. Yes or no? As a real-time person, what all commonly observations you are got? What all the commonly things you observed? You try to take those examples and explain it. That's it. If you are explaining so many differences, reading the books, identify something in community, you are giving so many differences, you are reading the information, they can easily identify you prepared somewhere and you are explaining that. But as a real-time consultant, as a real-time developer, at the time of creating those reports, what are commonly things you are observing, and those you are explaining to the panel, they can easily identify this person is a very good person, is working on the environment. At the time of working environment, what all things he observed is trying to explain that areas. So that is what you are going to create a better impression. I said very clearly, nowadays interviews are going to happen only for 30 minutes. In the 30 minutes of time, 10 minutes is a normal discussion. What is, tell me about yourself. What is your family background? Why you are looking for a job change? What is your current CTC? Correct or not? Where you are looking for another upcoming 5 years? Okay, what are the, that's what. What is your hobbies? That's what. There is a common things are happening. And remaining 15 to 20 minutes only, they're asking some basic questions. They're asking some scenario based things, and they're asking about your the most complex deliverables. That's what generic things are happening. They ask this question, you are trying to explain all the differences within 5 minutes of timeline. They can easily identify this person is not really doing a good practice person. He's just listening or he's preparing somewhere else and he's trying to explain those things. You don't want to create those kind of impressions anyway. Okay? That's why I'm telling that how you are as a real-time person. Observations will see that. Okay? In the first observation of the simple report, how many properties we have? Three. In advanced report, how many properties we have? Eight properties we have. It means the prompt we are regularly using, the output also we are regularly using table or charts, finite dollars, correct? Yes or no? We are regularly using the prompt to output to share. Share we are mandatory now. Once that custom report you created, you need to share with the business users. We are regularly using the share options and advanced properties, correct? And sub-filter properties. Okay? So we can see a simple report, very limited properties are available. Correct on that? Limited properties are available, but in advanced report I can see all properties. And overall 8 properties we have. All these 8 properties are okay. Only limited properties, column short filter only available by simple. Sub filter prompt to output share or advanced properties are not available in the simple report. That is my first difference you can see. Okay, visually correct and that perfect. This is my first difference, correct? In the second difference, do you see business object section in the simple report? Do you see any business object section here? But when it comes to the advanced report, I can see the business object section. If I want to add RBO data, I can able to add it. Yes or no? I'm just adding the a dependent data. That's RBO data for worker. Correct or not? RBO means either child or parent. Anyone we can call it as RBO. See now? I'm able to add that RBO data. along with the PPO, correct? Is it possible to add the RPO data in a simple report? No. This is also one of, see, I don't see any business object section. The fields, whatever fields you are selecting, all these fields belongs to your PPO only. There is no possibility select the RPO data. So that is my second differences. Correct or not? Excellent. My third differences is once that report has been created, I am able to share these reports to a different users. Yes or no? See, I created this report. Later, I can share this to Teresa. I can share this to Bethel. Okay? I can share this to Steve. I can share this report. See, I created this report. I shared this report to multiple people. Correct or not? Do you have an option to share these reports to anybody? No. You created a report. It is not possible to share with the business. Is it really useful for business? No. It's simple identification. Correct or not? It's very simple identification. You created the custom report. You created a custom report, and this custom report, simple example, simple. It is not possible to share with anyone. It is not useful for business purpose also. Okay, that is my third differences. The fourth one is go to the advanced report and advanced property. Do you see this option enable as web service? Yeah. If you enable this report as a web service, later you can call this report into integrations. Later you can call this report into integrations. Okay. So this option is not at all available for simple. It means simple report is not possible to call the integration. I think these differences is enough because usually you create a custom report, correct? And you create an almost you creating the custom report. You always using different properties. So those properties are missing in simple report. You are creating a custom report, and usually that custom report you are including always PPO data as well as RPO data, correct? RPO data is not possible to call the simple report. That's my second difference. You are creating a custom report. Once the report development is completed, you will share that report to business. It means that sharing option is not available for simple report. That's the third differences. The fourth one, we generally calling the reports to integrations by enabling as a web service option. That option is not available. It means simple report is not possible to call the integrations. Hope you understand, guys. That's the differences. So that's the differences. Okay. I captured the same concept here. See. So can you please tell me the difference between a simple and advanced report? Just tell the first one is the definitions. It's a basic report and majorly using only for the developer purpose. It means, for example, as a developer, you want to verify some data is presented or not in the business object. You quickly create that report, you verify the data, later you can delete it. Only for developer purpose, it will help. Okay? See, advanced report, it is a very detailed report and majorly this is useful for business purpose. Okay? The next one is few additional properties are not available in simple report like subfilter, prompt, output, share and advanced. Okay? All properties are available in advanced report, correct? We can select the PBO data only and not possible to select RBO data, correct? And we can select both PBO as well as RBO data. You cannot share this report to anyone. You can share this report to everyone. Okay? You cannot use this report into any of the integrations. You can use this report into integrations after enable as a web service option advanced tech. That's the differences between a simple and advanced. That's the differences between simple and advanced guys. Okay, guys. Perfect, guys. So I just created a simple report, and also I created a advanced report, and you see the differences very clearly and visually. Correct, Ahmed? Properties, RBO data, share options, integrations. That's it. I think those bullet points is enough to and understand. Okay, as a real-time consultant, these are the common things you observe. Okay, perfect. Yes. So that's the simple report, and this is the advanced report. Okay, and in real time, and in real time, we really don't have any use case for the simple report. Zero use case. Then why the workday has given for this? You don't have access for database, correct? Ahmed? Something HR saying that I entered the data, but I am unable to see that. So make sure you want to verify some details at the business object level, whether the data is presented or not. Only only that purpose. You are quickly create one simple report and verify the data, and later you can delete it because those reports are not visible for anybody. You can just only for checking purpose you can create those reports and you can delete those. That's it. Okay. So there is one more question, guys. This is also one more interview question. Only for interview purpose, I'm explaining the simple report, but in the real time, never use for the simple report. Okay. I'm going to create one more custom report, guys. I'm going to create one more simple report, same report. RR underscore 128 underscore simple report. This is for version 2, guys. Okay. Please unselect this. It's okay. You can select anything, any data source. It's okay. You take companies, the dependents, all active designated workers, job requisitions, whatever you feel comfortable, take it, no issue. Click on OK. I selected only couple of fields, employee ID, employee name, gender, okay. See, I created a custom report, simple report using this information. Correct? Am I? Now the requirement is, this is also one of the most common interview questions nowadays. I created a custom report as a simple I created a custom report as a simple by mistake. I would like to convert this simple report to advanced report. Is it possible? If possible, can you please explain the process? How you will convert the simple to advanced? Okay, perfect. Answer is yes, it is possible, guys. Very simple. Go to simple report properties. Go to custom report. There we have an option. Direct option is available. Change to advanced report type. Hope you understand. Yeah, you click on this link, you click on this, it will go to view mode, correct? It's view custom report. It is a simple report, correct? And that I could only see limited properties. Let's convert it to advanced. Okay. Go to custom report. There we have an option for directly options. See now? Change it to advanced report type. Are you sure to confirm that? Yes, confirm. That's it. This report has been successfully converted from simple to advanced. Do you see the additional properties also? Subfilter will be available at the time of edit. Okay. In the view mode, I don't see the subfilter, right? But usually when you go for edit mode only, it will available. When you are clicking the edit mode, then this will be available. Usually you are not using the RBO data, na? That is why the subfilter is not coming. Okay. So that's a dynamic property. Okay. If you are using that property, then only it will display. If not, it will not display. See now, but if you go to edit mode, it will. But in the view mode, you did not use that one. That is why. So that is dynamically hiding. Okay. Now the report has been successfully migrated from simple to advanced. Yeah. Again, one more question. I would like to convert this advanced report to simple report again. Is it possible? See the options. Is it possible anytime? No. Okay. Again, you created a simple report. Is it possible to change it to matrix report? No, not possible. So Workday has given only for this time simple to advanced. Only that option is available. From any other report type to other report type is not possible. Be careful this. Okay. I captured that as well. See now, the Workday team member created a custom report as a simple by mistake. However, we would like to convert that simple to advanced report. Is it possible? If yes, please tell me the process. Yes, it is possible. We can go to custom report actions and choose the change it to advanced report type option to change the report from simple to advanced. Note, very important note, we can change only simple to advanced. And any other option will not be possible, like advanced to simple or a simple to matrix or advanced to matrix or from any other report type to report type is not possible. Workday allows only for a simple to advanced. That's it. Okay? Because this question is also most of the panel people are asking. So what is the difference between simple and advanced? And if user created by mistakenly any simple report, will it be possible to convert this to advanced report? Or will it possible to convert it to matrix report? They can ask in number of ways. But you have the complete clarity on your mind. You understand the concept. You can explain any type of differences. Correct? Perfect. That's what this is not the examination is. You are simply reading this quarter and you are attending the seminars, exams, correct? And you are ignoring the subject. This is not the process. This is you are learning the technology, you understand the technology, you keep it in your mind, you keep executed that outputs, you are you are daily earning those things. That's it. Okay? The knowledge gain is very important, especially for the IT, final IT teams. Okay, this is not an examination only for this month, 2 months only I will read. Next month I will prepare my exam and completed my exam and you will ignore and I will sell out the books. Don't think like that. That's done. That's what is completed. This is completely a career opportunity. The career. Okay. Online people, anyone have any doubts? It's a very simple topic. I don't want to take so much time today. It's very simple topic. Okay, simple report. It's very basic report. You can create one simple report and see the properties. You can create one advanced report and see the properties and differences. Okay, and also you can create one simple report. How you are converting that simple to advanced report, and just do these practice days. Okay, and we will see tomorrow advanced report. Guys, every Saturday tenants won't work morning time. So we will continue tomorrow evening time. So evening time, I will tell you exactly. So we will go with most probably we'll go with 6 to 7 if possible. Okay, because we have functional sessions. So we'll go with 7 time with the functional. Okay, if not, at least you people can complete the practice. We'll continue on Sunday. Okay, We'll tell you, okay, because this weekend we are prioritizing mostly on the 125 batch functional classes. Okay, so Saturday most probably will go with the 6 to 7 sessions. Okay, 6 to 7 only for the next week. Sorry, only for this week, guys. By next week onwards, we'll continue with the 7 to 8, something like that. Only for Saturday evening time we'll take it. And remaining days, Sunday will continue. Okay, morning time as usual, our regular time. Okay, online people. So anyone have any doubts?